Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So friends, today in this video we are seeing the modern wardrobe design ideas for 2024. So friends, wardrobe designs are become more than just practical element in space. They are crucial component of interior design in bedroom. Wardrobe occupy a significant amount of space and when aesthetically integrated with the decor, and can say a lot of modern wardrobe designs enhance the aesthetic of your area as well. Wardrobe style that is not functional and will not be practical. And if the design does not suit your taste, it's need to feel unpleasant. And it's therefore crucial to pick your style of wardrobe carefully to consider different factors such as size, width, and height according to your interior. In this video, we will explore the wardrobe designs will benefit of your want to change the appearance of your closet, and multifunctional wardrobe designs are the finest choice you can make if you are looking for modern wardrobe ideas for master bedroom and have vast wall that can be used of entirely for ample storage. The critical of between these typical wardrobes, how to rectify the safe storage of your valuable drawers and TV units, etc., can be built into the enormous closet itself. So, if you want to go for conventional designs, then multi-purpose wardrobes is excellent alternative for wardrobes for bedrooms. When it comes to wardrobe design, use your imagination and go with something straightforward but stylish. Use wood, metals, and glass and create work for art and will leave you in. These contemporary closet designs are undoubtedly costly and require lot of maintenance. But they are surprisingly sturdy and have refined the aesthetic another option. It's mount wardrobe and flush with the wall. It will be make room for drawers and you may put in beautiful mirrors that can hang on the wall. Now all you need to little affordable and stool the sit down the get ready. And monal wardrobe is another choice in modern wardrobe design. Despite the widespread that contemporary wardrobe designs are typically expansive, this is not the case of this situation, and monal wardrobes are easily accessible and reasonably priced. These wardrobes have six doors and along with square-shaped handles. In the monal wardrobes, the pull-out drawers and position following the row of the shelves. There is plenty of rooms and hangers inside this contemporary closet design. Is excellent piece of art furniture and improve the appearance of your bedroom overall. If you don't like the bedroom having too much wood, then it would help you look the glass mirrors wardrobes which not only bright new look into the bedroom but also offer to fresh personality that can only come contemporary cupboard designs. These contemporary wardrobes are easier to handle. In addition to many individuals combine the glass panels to create sliding wardrobes, enhancing the entire space appearance and feel. If you want to secure money but need affordable wardrobe, its hidden safe wardrobes is practical wardrobe design for bedroom that will give you lots of space you want to break the bank. So it's not alternative that will never go out of style. Utilizing every inch of the space in house efficiently, it's top consideration in urban homes. Therefore, buildings or wardrobes it's safe one of this innovative approach you can take. Built wardrobes as opposed to freestanding ones can be incorporated into any space. Built-in wardrobes are clever way to deal and with the tight areas. They may be even especially made fit into the L-shaped corners to be built around the windows to maximize the amount of space in your room. By doing so, you may incorporate your bedroom into the design of your room and make use awkward corners and nooks that are original. And the design process is another significant advantages of the fitted wardrobe. This is important especially if you are remodeling or recreating new home. It can be hard and adopt of standing wardrobe of your home decor. You must first think that about the materials that would match the job first. Then there are variety of sizes and patterns to pick from, not least. You will need to be ideal furniture of touches of complement the rest of your decor. There are various concerns you must consider while looking for the best wardrobe designs. Will the wardrobe height fit and flush against you cleaning? Will take up much of lot of room in your bedroom. Suitable wardrobe design is crucial in today's modern world when there are lack of space. And fortunately, there are numerous modern wardrobe designs you can choose from, and it's best to work with your demands on bedroom them because every bedroom has style and design. We are to assist in selecting your ideal design from creating your bedroom wardrobe design, securely installing it, and the dedicated space. With us, designing bedroom closet only involves a few simple quick actions. We incorporate many valuable aspects to control clutter into our modern wardrobe design to find the modern wardrobe design as a best meet your needs.